Laid on to Stamkos. Fires. He scores. Stamkos.
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up 1, go make it 2.
They won that face-off, try to generate something. Good place, he scores! Bar down, in!
It's felt at various times like one team or the other would have a little bit of the upper hand. Doesn't matter anymore. We're back to 0-0.
Walks the blue line. Terrific determination. They score! They break the ice early here with the game's first goal.
Always interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit. Both teams can forecheck really well.
Thanks very much, Ray. Shot, he scores!
Always better to play from in front than to chase the game. There's the game's first goal.
Walking a thin line near the border there. Scores! Terrific way to begin for your home fans. It's 1-0.
The key, once you score 1, try and get another. Push them back on their heels. They've got 1, go get 2.
Oh, what a terrific save in close.
That is a great display of goaltending there, Doc.
He scores!
The key, once you score 1, try and get another. Push them back on their heels. They've got 1, go get 2.
Shot. That shot came from right in front.
The shooter thought he had a chance, but
he scores! And so the celebrating comes early for the first goal.
Well, they jumped up on the bench beside me pretty quickly here. Very excited on the one side to have the game's first goal.
The puck's dropped, and that's a great job tying the man up on that faceoff. Score!
Joe's stick was in a ready position to accept that puck and put it in as a one-timer.
Enzo, this has got to be a great shot because from my angle, there doesn't look like a lot of net. Even with the goaltender down, he seems to have most